Want to copy Roblox clothing like this? Follow this tutorial. So now that I found the clothing piece, I want to make this emo one here. Just click on it and left-click on the page and go to Inspect or Inspect Tools. After clicking on Inspect, you want to go to Network and refresh your page. After refreshing your page, you want to wait for everything to load and then scroll fully to the top. Here we found the clothing file. Mine's called Emo. Now you want to left-click on the file and go to Copy and copy as PowerShell. Now you want to go to this site I'll leave in the description and also in the comments. Now paste the thing you copied here for it to be downloaded. And that's it. Thank you for watching.